channel. As you can see, we're about to get into doing another wig review. If you want details, all the information on this unit that I got from It's a Wig, you're gonna keep watching. So before I forget and before we get too deep in this video, since you're already here, you're tuned in, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button? I mean, it's free. It's right there. You can see more of my crazy ass. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and press the bell for notifications because y'all know YouTube be tripping and they don't want to notify y'all when I post a new video. But it's okay, YouTube. We're going to get you together. Anyways, y'all, this wig was sent to me from a company that I do not usually review for a lot called It's a Wig. I had earlier experiences with It's a Wig. I'm talking maybe, 6, 7, 8 years ago. Yeah, I've been wearing wigs a long time. But anyways, I had earlier experiences with It's a Wig, and every experience I had, even if I liked the style of the wig was just not big head friendly. I mean, these caps were so small, and me trying to squeeze it over my big head's head, it looked ridiculous. Like, it was the equivalent of trying to put a watermelon into a condom. It's never gonna quite go right. You get what I'm saying? And like I said, I liked It's a Wig styles, but they just couldn't work for me. So when I got this wig sent to me in the mail from them, I was a little leery, like, uh-oh, this is not going to work. So I was already mentally preparing myself for this wig to basically be cutting off my damn circulation. I thought I was going to be coming here with my eyebrows touching my forehead because the wig would be so tight on my head. But guess what, y'all? It actually surprised me, and this unit is big head friendly. This unit is actually a little bit too big. I had to put 2 bobby pins in the back. So I'm not sure if it's just this particular style of the unit. I'm not sure if It's a Wig got that response back from a lot of people, so they went ahead and changed it. But doesn't Jesus always work it out? And he worked it out for this wig, honey. His name again is Karleen, I believe. Karleen or Karlena. I'll have it running across your screen with all of the specs. And it was sent to me, like I said, by It's a Wig. They sent me the color 42730. I didn't even know that they were sending it. Honestly, had I known, I probably wouldn't have chose this color just because I'm not the biggest fan of the color 4. And I initially wanted the blonde one because they have it in like a blonde 613. I had the stock card, but I lost it, y'all. But that was the one that I initially wanted, or I would have chose like probably a 1B. I am happy that they did just send this color because I really do like this color blend up against my skin. Ooh, highlight, pop, 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 pop. Yes, get that popping. I really like this up against my skin complexion. It looks really, really pretty. It looks natural. I just love the color blend. The color blend is really nice. I'm gonna get a little bit closer, let y'all see what it's looking like because I know it's so subtle that you may not be able to see it from afar. Color blend, absolutely. I love it. Now, moving on to the parting. The parting was also excellent on this unit. So all I had to do was add a little bit of concealer to the parting. You should see right over here on the side screen a close-up shot. I said I wanted to do something different, have little close-ups on my parting so y'all can see how laid and slayed it really be. But the parting was absolutely amazing. I just added a little bit of concealer to the parting, and that was that. Laid my own baby hairs down and kept it moving. Now, moving on to cons about this wig, because I've already told y'all all the good stuff, obviously, and it's always a little something going on, and y'all know I'm always telling y'all the tea. This unit is long. I don't even know if y'all can tell this. I have my camera sitting back like as far as it possibly can with my light. It could sit back further, but you know, I ain't got no pants on. It's a whole situation. But anyways, y'all can see how long this unit is. Let me see if I can try to stand up with that. Nah, my tall ass, that ain't gonna do nothing. But this unit is ridiculously long. This unit is hitting me on my butt, and y'all know I'm 5'9". So I'm not no little girl. Like, I'm pretty much a green giant. It's fine. I've learned to deal with it over time. But this is so super long for me. I usually don't wear my hair this long. I have the urge to cut it so bad, and I have the urge to cut it because look, I gotta keep this brush right here because I know through the video and I'm about to film a freaking dress haul. God, please be with me. But it is tangling so bad, and I'm sure it's because the unit is synthetic. Let's be honest, it's going to have some tanglage with it. I think if it was like that mink straight hair, I would take it a little bit better because it would be more flowy, it wouldn't be tangling. I just have to keep constantly brushing this out because it's tangling, and that's causing the wig to lose hair. So that is a big major con for me. Now, to go ahead and supplement it, what you could do is just go ahead and cut it, but then you maybe should just, I mean, nothing is extraordinary about it that you would have to get the wig and cut it. You could just get a shorter wig, in my opinion. So that brings me into my closing remarks, because I don't really have anything else to say about this unit. What do I give this on my 5-star rating system? I'm going to have to give it a 2. The length is a major con for me because it is shedding, it is tangling, it is doing all of that. Now, I will revise this and say, if you're a person, you want length, or if you're doing something like a photo shoot, you're a model, you're on YouTube, or anything like that that would require pictures, I think that this is the type of unit that you can wear for pictures and that be that. I don't see you going out in this unit. I don't see you going to the club in this unit. I don't see this being like a sexy hot unit for date night. I just don't see it. It's too much hair. It gets annoying. It's tangling. You have to keep brushing it, and you really won't be able to enjoy yourself. I feel like if you got to keep doing, if I got to keep touching my hair, I can't enjoy myself. I'm trying to enjoy myself. I'm trying to get lit. I'm trying to live life. And I don't have time to be playing and brushing in my hair all damn day like I'm a baby doll. No, I don't. So 2 stars. If you like that type of stuff, you're using it for a photo shoot, I'd give it 4 stars because everything else is solid about it. All right, y'all. So like I said, that pretty much wraps up this review. Thank you so much for watching. If you didn't already, I hope that you go ahead and subscribe before you leave my channel, honey, and hit the bell for notifications. Also, thumbs up this video and follow me on my social media. A lot of y'all seem to think like I don't have social medias, or y'all be asking me in the comment, what is my social medias? I leave it in the description box every single time, which you should read, by the way. But in case you don't know what my social medias are, it is I Paint Pretty Faces on Instagram. It's I Paint Pretty Faces on Facebook, and it's I Paint Pretty Face, no ES on the end. Long story. But I Paint Pretty Face on Snapchat if you're interested in following me on Snapchat. That's all of my social medias. My Facebook page, Sierra Robinson, I can't add any more friends to, but you are welcome to follow me. Thank you so much again for watching. Continue to stay pretty. I'll see y'all next time.